Hello, I'm Divya Shah and welcome to Mental Health Matters, a special series by Relief NU. So, Dr. Gaurav Deka will give us those 5 tips on how we can control our response to various situations which arises because of the pandemic.
One of the most underrated one is physical activity. I always tell people to take part in physical activity, be it exercise, be it dance, be it tapping, whatever you do. The point is you have to move your body, because otherwise your body is constantly receiving this message that that I'm restricted, that I can't move, I'm isolated, I can't go out. So you have to move your body in order for all the trapped energy to move out and to feel free. People also underestimate the power of breathing exercises and meditation. This, I feel, is a must, not only for, of course, the capacity of your lung, but also for clear thinking. Number 3, emotional eating or stress eating is something that we all do in such circumstances. We have to make sure that we can check on what kind of food are we eating, and also try to be aware if I'm giving into binging or having a calorific diet. You need to have boundaries of your workspace, because you don't realize at what time you start your work and at what time you are going to end your work. And because you're doing it from your home, it may not even feel like work, but a proper boundary needs to be established so that you are able to have a proper, let's say, food time, night time, and eating time, and sleeping time, right? Boundaries are important. Lastly, you also have to make separate time for your family. You have to make separate time for your children, and because everything is happening inside the house, right? So as a result of which, a lot of these can get cluttered, and also because every single day, Wednesday same as Tuesday, Tuesday same as Monday, there is also this spilling out of time. So you have to create proper slots for yourself for all your daily activities, instead of just allowing them to spill over without any sense of wall or boundary around it.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gaurav Deka, for the valuable insights, and I'm sure our viewers too benefited from the discussion. For more on mental health matters, please check our website, and you can also write to us on help@reliefnu.org. Till then, stay safe, stay strong.